In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. This process is simple and quick, and whether you're tech-savvy or new to downloading applications, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's jump right in. To start things off, open your current web browser and head to google.com/Chrome. This is the official Chrome website where you'll find all things related to Google Chrome, from features to additional resources, and most importantly, the download link. Navigating here ensures you're getting the most up-to-date version of Chrome directly from Google itself, avoiding any unnecessary risks from third-party downloads. Once you've landed on the website, you'll see a prominent button that says Download Chrome. Go ahead and click on that button. This will direct you to another page that might show some terms of service. It's always a good idea to glance through these, but for most, they can go ahead and accept them to proceed with the download. Next, let's take a closer look at saving the installer file. After you've clicked the download button, a file named chromesetup.exe will start downloading if you're on a Windows device or an equivalent file if you're using another operating system. Choose a familiar location on your computer to save this file. Your Downloads folder is often the default destination and a handy spot, especially if you don't want to manually set the location each time. Now that the file is saved, it's time to get Chrome up and running. Navigate to where you just downloaded the installer, typically in that Downloads folder, and double-click on the Chrome Setup.exe file. On some systems, this might initiate a security prompt, usually the user account control, asking for permission to run the installer. If you see this prompt, go ahead and click Yes. This step ensures the application has the necessary permissions to install. Don't worry, this is standard procedure and perfectly safe, especially since we're installing directly from Google's official source. From here, the installation process will begin, and all you need to do is sit back and watch. There's no need to click any next buttons or customize settings unless you're prompted, which typically isn't the case. The installer will handle everything automatically for you, setting up the application in your system folders. Once the installation is complete, Chrome will launch automatically, welcoming you to its sleek interface where you can sign in with your Google account to sync bookmarks, history, and more across devices. And there you have it. Your new internet browsing companion is ready to use. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial on how to download Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. I hope you found it straightforward and informative. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. Enjoy your new browsing experience.